shit. Just follow me, right?
Julio, what's up? No, Julia. Hey, Julia. Runblade XOXO. How's it going? It's going great, actually. I'm working on the unboxing video for the Pocket 3. And I'm very excited. I've been doing like research on this for like ever. And I'm uber excited to have it. And I'm gonna unbox it. And I'm gonna make this unboxing a YouTube video. Then I'm gonna do like an impressions video. And then this is gonna start my vlog art. However the word, I don't know. You don't have hair? I got hair. You don't have hair. Whoa. Come here. I got hair, okay? Oh my God. I'll put my hat back on. I guess we can stand up and do this, right? Nothing. Oh snap. It comes well packaged. What's this? I think this is it's the handheld case. Nothing else in the box. Paperwork. Not sure what that's for. A sticker. We love stickers. And user guide that we're not going to look at. All right. I'm finna tilt the camera down. I'm not sure how this is going to look. I've never done it this way. We're going to follow suit and see what happens. Let's tilt this thing down. Boom. Oh, that's not terrible. It ain't the best either, but it ain't terrible. It's not terrible. Everything looks a little crooked here. I promise it's not. Whatever. Yeah, stickers. They all go there. Paperwork goes here. It's getting the job done. I know that's right. So here's the camera itself. It's trash. Let's get this open. This is nice. It feels nice. I might need a little bit more light in here, guys. Give me a second. Don't go anywhere. Oh man, y'all get to see how dirty my shit is. This is dirty. Sorry. Here we go. That's funny. Can we make this less bright? No. Alright. This is it. Everything's a mess. Everything's dirty, okay? Everything's dirty. This is the camera. Feels great. Very excited for that. Oh, I think that's the extended battery. This is the microphone. Attaches. Blood red mouse. Yeah, we like that mouse. What's this? This is the stand, I think. I'm not sure what that is. We'll find out. USB-C cable. Rat tail. This case is quality, not gonna lie. It's gonna be easy to travel with that. What's this? What is a lens? An extra additional lens? Alright. Let's get this stuff open. Alright, again, this is the camera. camera there, USB-C. Oh yeah, it's the tripod thing. Helps it stand, that's nice. Goes with that. Battery. Yeah, that goes on that. Microphone. Trash. Looks like that's the bottom. Okay, so this goes here. And this does not go there. I don't know. We'll figure it out. What is this? Oh, this is the holder for the camera. I like that. I like that. And this is the mouse tail that goes on top of this, I assume, to keep the noise from coming out. That's cute. But I won't drop it. Perfect. All right. Let me clean up. All right. So my line is not great, but whatever, guys. The camera is everything I thought it would be. It has this little horizontal, vertical flip thing, which I think is pretty unique. The stabilization is crazy. Let's see how this goes. Does this go here? So this is an extended battery for sure. Okay, extended battery. And this is a tripod that helps it stand. That's cool. That's cool. If you see me with a mouse on my shirt, mind your business. I think I put that on wrong, but we'll figure that out in a later date. This is also just an extender to make something longer. Well, it's a mic, but I call this a mouse. A mouse tail? Well, mice tail ain't like this. I guess a rabbit? I don't know. I heard it somewhere. We're gonna put this to the test. Make sure you guys get subscribed to my YouTube to watch this video and my impression video. I'm very excited for it. I'm very excited for this camera. You guys know I've been talking about it for a long time, and we're gonna see if we can make a little magic. So satisfying. Of course, English, doofus. It has this joystick on it. Oh well, it's not working. Touchscreen. This is pretty cool. This is pretty cool. Yeah, I'm not gonna go through the setup here. I'm gonna set it up. And yeah, this video will be out sooner than later. Make sure you get subscribed. I'll see you later.